my. Will you look at that? That is a thing of beauty. This is, if I'm correct, and I think I am, this is my first ever box of museum collection. I have purchased the singles before, of course, and I think I batted around the idea of ordering the, what was it, 2015 Museum Collection Asia edition. I've seen that offered at a really good price a couple of times, but I don't think I ever pulled the trigger and actually ordered it. So this is actually my first box of museum collection. Everybody that watches the channel for any amount of time knows that I've just really battled against buying boxes that had few cards, but here lately I've just kind of thrown that to the wayside. And I mean, when you're sitting on as many cards as I'm sitting on, suddenly boxes with just a couple of cards in it doesn't look so bad at that point. So there are 4 hits in this. There are 4 little mini boxes, and each one is going to contain one of the following: on-card autograph, autograph relic, quad relic, or prime relic. Well, actually, each mini box guarantees one of the following, and I think maybe you're guaranteed one of each. The box did take a little bit of a beating in shipping, but it should be fine because everything inside is in a box. 1 autograph or relic guaranteed in each mini box. I don't think. Yeah, there's 5 cards per mini box, and every mini box has a hit. So that's not that many cards, and this is not going to take very long. Would love to pull a good vet hit out of this. That would be incredibly sweet. Or maybe like a Mike Trout. Or they've got Ripken on here. That would be sweet too. There they are. I just kind of want to look at it. I don't even really want to open it. I just want to. If I walked into a card shop and saw this, I don't know if I'd want to buy these individually though. I assume that these probably have hits that are predictable. I mean, I'm sure breakers have picked up patterns in this. Probably this has an autograph, this has a relic, this has, you know. So therefore you probably don't want to buy these boxes individually. That's just my guess. Feel free to comment below and let me know if that isn't the case, but I bet you it is. Here are the odds on the back of one of these mini boxes. I don't know if you can read those. Let's see if I can get them. It's like plenty of parallel versions. Jumbo Patch Emerald, museum memorabilia. I see laundry tags, lumber bat nameplate. Wow. Oh man, there is lots of potential here. But with so few cards. Alright, so we're gonna do this one. So this is the second from the left. A lot of air in this pack. It's not as thick as it looks. Alright, there is right off the bat an Ohtani parallel numbered out of 99. Looks to be purple. So that's a good card. And then we have a David Price jersey numbered out of 50. So there is a relic. Congratulations, you have received a Canvas Collection reproduction card of Arenado. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow. That is, I don't know if you can see, it's textured. That's pretty cool. Wow. Not numbered, but that's pretty sweet. And then we have Mark Mcgwire and Deion Sanders. These are relatively thick, not overly thick, probably 55 point stock. Looks pretty good. There's the back. Back's kind of plain. So pretty good start. Let's see how tough it is to get those Canvas collections. Let's see if it's, oh, it's not that hard. 1 in 4, so you're going to get 1 per box if you buy a box. Alright, moving on. Another not too thick. Obviously I'm looking for a thick pack, hoping to get like a really good patch of some sort, with or without an autograph. Would be cool. Alright, starting off with another parallel of, who is this? Romuto, I think. Numbered to 150. Oh, hang on, you're about to see a patch. There it is, Syndergaard. That is pretty sweet. A patch auto Mets. That is sweet. Wow. Signature swatches triple relic autograph. Not numbered, but man, that's a gorgeous card. Wow. Wish it was on card, but actually this is one of those where the sticker doesn't stand out like a sore thumb. It's not too bad. That's gorgeous. Wow. What else do we have? Tatis rookie. Sweet. Definitely one of the betters of 2019. Correa and Rhys Hoskins. Alright. So far so good. Although that Syndergaard may be the best hit in this box. Let's keep going and find out though. So that was a triple relic. It'd be really cool to pull a quad. This is a thinner pack again. Although that last one fooled me. I didn't expect to have a patch in there. That's another Rhys Hoskins, but this one looks... it's brown. I don't know why. I don't see any kind of numbering, but it's definitely different. Then we have another Mets autograph, DeGrom. This is on card for $1.99. It's a Mets box, and I am okay with that. Very nice. This is the Archival Autograph. See what they say about that. If I can even read it. Oh, there's so much here to read. If I don't see it quickly, I'll ditch it. I don't see it. Anyways, cool. And then we also have Salvador Perez, Jose Ramirez, and Andujar. Alright, last one. Two Mets autographs. This, yeah, all these feel about the same in thickness. There's another one of those brown cards. I gotta figure out what this is. Correa this time. Then we just have a little plain old relic. Nothing too fancy here. Whit Merrifield. Primary pieces quad relic. Unfortunately, they're all white. One is different than the rest, and it is numbered out of 99 right here. Kind of hard to see. So, nothing crazy there. Ricky Henderson, Barry Larkin, and Syndergaard. Plenty of Mets. So that's it. Whit Merrifield. Gotta figure out what these brown parallels are. Really nice DeGrom autograph. Did get the Tatis rookie, which I just about dropped. But this is crazy nice right here, though. That's really, really nice. It's not constructed very well. It feels like the glue that's holding us down doesn't feel very strong. Couple of parallels. Deion Sanders, the sketch, and the David Price to 50. Oh yeah, and the Ohtani to 99. pretty good. Obviously, you're going to see some crazy boxes of this stuff that's going to be a lot better than this, but this is decent, in my opinion. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'm saying pretty good. I have a soft spot for the Mets, though, and that kind of makes it better in my world. But let me know what you think. Or if you opened any of this, let me know how you did. I'm always curious. If you've got a video up, link it below, and I'll go watch your break and see how you do. Hopefully everybody does wonderful. If you're going to pay up for this stuff, I hope you do very, very, very well. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care of yourself. Hope you're having a great week, and I have more goodies on the way. I placed some orders today. One pre-order. I'm not going to tell you what I've got coming, but we're going to do a couple more case breaks coming up soon, so that will be fun. I'll be back with you soon. Bye.